at the top of our organization for the.
Just one question. What is the
To whom,
biggest
sir?
to Mr. Paul?
Now, badminton has been in my heart for the whole life, and therefore I cherish this opportunity, and I'm really looking forward to work with the staff and my council members in order to deliver also for the future, so we are fulfilling the task that has been set by Dr. Kang.
It's honored, but I would like to read out the list of new council members.
How many?
Match fixing or match throwing, of course, it's of a concern. But firstly, for my opinion, is of course to set up the council in the commissions, and that is where we are dealing with the matters. But definitely, it is of my concern.
The results of the elections are available.
I feel the necessity to definitely visit and maybe already now prioritize Asia, in my point of view, so that we are really gaining the good atmosphere.
Okay, take your time.